A parabola is defined by the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. If the parabola passes through 3, 18, 2, 11, and 1, 6, what are the values of a, b, and c? These values right here, the a, b, and c, those coefficients. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in each of these points. In ordered pair, the first number is the x value, and the second value is the y value. So I'm going to plug 18 into the y value. And I'm going to plug 3, the x value, into the two x locations here. 3 squared is 9, 8 times 9, I can write that as 9a. And then b times 3, I can write that as 3b. And I have a plus c. So this is what you get when you plug in 3, 18. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to plug in 2, 11. 11 for the y. And 2 for the x. 2 squared is 4, so it'll be 4a. b times 2 is 2b. And plus c. I'm going to plug in that last point, 1, 6. 6 goes into the y. And 1 goes into the x's. 1 squared is 1. 8 times 1 is just a. B times 1 is just b. So you just get plus b and then plus c again. All right, so here's my system with 3 variables in it, a, b, and c. I need to solve for these a, b, and c. What I notice here is that all of the equations have c in them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the top equation and subtract each of the other ones from the top equation. So first I'm going to ignore this bottom equation and just subtract these two guys. 11 minus 8, or 18 minus 11 is 7. 9a minus 4a is 5a. 3b minus 2b is b. And c minus c eliminated. Now I'm going to take the top equation and subtract the bottom equation from it. So this time I'm ignoring the middle equation. So we got 18 minus 6, that's 12. 9a minus 1a is 8a. 3b minus b is 2b. And c minus c is gone. And you can see what happened. I went from a system of 3 equations with 3 letters to a system of 2 equations and 2 letters. Now the way I'm going to solve this is I'm going to make this a negative 2b, so that is the opposite of this 2b, by multiplying both sides here by negative 2. So I'm multiplying both sides of this equation by negative 2. Alright, so that's going to give me a negative 14 equals a negative 10a minus a 2b. And I'm going to keep the bottom equation the same. 12 equals 8a plus 2b. I did that so that these guys right here will be opposites, so that when I add them together, these will cancel. Negative 14 plus 12 is negative 2. Negative 10a plus 8a is negative 2a, and these guys are eliminated. And now I can get my a by dividing both sides by negative 2. And I get an a value of 1. Remember, we're trying to find the values of a, b, and c. I found the a. Now I can find b by taking the 1 and substituting it in right here into this equation. So I'm going to take the 7 equals 5a plus b equation, plug in 1 for a. This 5 times 1 is just 5, so I'm just going to subtract 5 on both sides, and I get a b value of 2. Now I have my a and b. The last thing to do is find the c. The easiest equation looks like this one to get your c. They all add up to 6. So 6 equals a plus b plus c. I'm going to plug in the 1 for A, the 2 for B. That's 3. And I can get C here by subtracting both sides by 3. And I get a 3 for C. All right, I found all the letters, A, B, and C.